Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We are in topic 5, lesson 6, solve addition and subtraction word problems. So please open your book, page 233, and see what we have.
Jose has 5 more erasers than Lois. Jose has 7 erasers. How many erasers does Lois have? Write your answers in the boxes.
All right, let's watch our video.
Steve has 13 books. Claire has 4 fewer books than Steve. How many books does Claire have? What information does the problem give you? The problem tells you that Steve has 13 books and Claire has 4 fewer books than Steve. What is the problem asking you to find? You need to find how many books Claire has.
Let's find out.
You can use a bar model to show the problem. Which part of the bar model represents how many books Steve has?
Select your answer.
All right, so for this equation, as you see, we have Steve. He has 13 books. Claire has 4 fewer books than Steve. So we're looking for how many books does Claire have. Using the bar models help us to see what we need and what we have. So if I look here, I know that we have Steve, he has 13 books. So which part is how many Steve have? So Steve has 13 books.
The 13 represents how many books Steve has. Which part of the bar model represents how many books Claire has?
Select your answer.
I know that 13 books, that's what Steve have. I know that Claire have 4 books fewer than Steve, but I do not know how many Claire's have. So that's what I'm looking for. Claire has how many books?
The question mark represents how many books Claire has. What does the 4 represent? The 4 represents how many fewer books Claire has than Steve. How does the bar model help you solve the problem?
As we see, you look at the bar model, you know that this is what Steve has. That's what Claire's we're looking for. And I know that she has 4 fewer than 13.
You can see the 13 books that Steve has. You can also see the 4 fewer books that Claire has. Since you know the whole and one part, you can find that Claire has 9 books. You can write an addition or subtraction equation to see how many books Claire has. You can subtract to find the missing part. 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. The two parts add to the whole. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. How does an addition or subtraction equation help you solve the problem?
All right, when I know that Steve had 13, that's the total or that's the whole, and I know one part, which is a 4 fewer, so 13 take away 4, I got my missing addend. And if I go for the strategies when we learn think addition to subtract, so I'm having the total 13, that's my sum. I have one addend 4, so I'm saying 4 plus what equals 13. So 4 plus 9 equals 13.
Both of the equations show that 13 is how many books Steve has, and that he has 4 more books than Claire. You can add or subtract to find how many books Claire has. So, Claire has 9 books.
All right, so let's see our guided practice, page 234. All right, so Sal has 8 more magazines than Gemma. Sal has 15 magazines, right? So we know that she has 15 more, she has 8 more, and she has 15 total. So how many magazines does Gemma have? So I know the total, I know one part, I have to find the missing part. So either I can say 15, take away 8, give me the missing number or the missing addend, or I will say 8 plus something equals 15. So that's why when we use the bar models, it helps you to find, to see the information you have, and it helps you to find the missing information or the missing part. All right, so let's do one more from the independent practice. Page 235. We'll do number 2 together. Alan picks up 3 toys. Then he picks up 8 more. How many toys did Alan pick up in all? So this is easy and different. Here I know one part or one addend, 3 toys. That's what Alan picks up first. And then he added 8 more, so he picks up 8 more. So now I have my both parts or my 2 parts or my 2 addends. I need to get the total or the whole. In this case, I know adding my both addend or my both parts giving me the whole. So 3 plus 8 equals 11. So I will write here 3 plus 8 equals 11. So Alan picked up all 11 toys. All right, let's see number 3 as well. Jack makes 5 fewer fruit cups than Sandy. Sandy makes 11 fruit cups. So now I know that Sandy has 11, or she made 11 fruit cups. I know that Jack makes 5 less or fewer than Sandy. So I know I have the whole. That's why we say that the graph help you, or the bar help you to find the missing number or the missing addend. I know that I have the whole, and I know that I have one part. So in order to get how many Jack made, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to say 11, take away 5. 11, take away 5 equals 6. So now I know the whole is 5, one part is, the whole is 11, one part is 5, and the missing part is 6. All right, first graders. So that was today's lesson, how to find, how to use your bar or the information you have to get the missing part. All right, that's it for today's lesson. Thank you.